Hello everybody. Today I'm going to speak about the most common mistake that people make when they learn English. That mistake is when to use the present continuous and the present simple. Now, the present simple is when we say I go, I eat, I drive. And the present continuous is when we say I am driving, I am going, I am walking. So, let me explain this to you very quickly. I am looking at you. That's happening right now. But generally, I look at my friends. But now I am looking at the camera. Next example. Eat. Now I am eating. Yes, I am eating right now. But generally, I eat pizza, I eat sandwiches, I eat hot dogs. But now I am eating. Remember, ing is something that we are doing now, and without ing, that means something we do normally, something we do generally. Next example, I am reading the book. I am reading. But generally, I read magazines or I read SMSs. But now I am reading the letters on my camera. GoPro. Next example, write. I am writing. Let me take my marker. I'm taking my marker and I am writing on the board. But normally, generally, I write SMSs or I write emails. But right now, I am writing on the board. Next one, run. I am running now. I am running to the door, for example, or I am running to the window. But normally, I run outside. Generally, I run in the forest. But now, I am running to the wall. So, that was our English lesson, speaking about the most common mistake that students make. And remember, the present continuous is ing, it is now. The present simple is without ing, it's generally or normally. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.